to RS Group of Schools. I am Gaurav Sharma, your computer teacher. Today I am making a video for the revision purpose of your examination with the help of some exercises of different chapters. Students, read these questions carefully and try to understand the answer. First question: hardware refers to CPU, monitor, mouse and keyboard, all of the above. The answer is all of the above. CPU, monitor, mouse, keyboard are the example of hardware. DBMS is a collection of records. DBMS जो है वो रिकॉर्ड्स का कलेक्शन होता है जिसमें आपकी फील्ड्स भी आती हैं, रो कॉलम्स, सब चीज़ें DBMS में आपकी आती हैं. तो ओवरऑल इनको हम बोल सकते हैं रिकॉर्ड्स. So the answer is records. DBMS is a collection of records. Next is software can be broadly divided into system software and application software. The main components of a computer system are software and hardware. So the answer is both A and B. Software and hardware both are the main component of a computer system. Next is dash is mandatory software of a computer system. The answer is operating system and system software. Both the answer is correct. So both the answers are correct. So the answer is both A and B. Here we can say that operating system and system software both are the mandatory software of a computer system. As we all know that system software and operating system are connected to each other, such as operating system is the example of system software. A translator that translates whole program in one go is compiler. Compiler is a translator software that is used to convert whole program in one go. Next is dash creates object code using source code. Answer is compiler. Which utility reduces the size of file? File compression utility. With the help of file compression utility, we can reduce the size of the file. In your book, the answer is disk fragmentation. This disk fragmentation utility is used to reduce the size of disk. But the correct answer is file compression utility for this question, because this utility is used to reduce the size of a file. Next question is which is not the internal command of DOS? The answer is label. The two wildcard characters available in DOS are asterisk and question mark. Linux is an operating system, multi-user and single user, not multi-user and multitasking. Linux is a multi-user operating system and also can be said as multitasking operating system. So the answer is both A and C. Which is the one of the following example of Linux command? Answer is cat command. Cat command is the example of Linux command. Who manages the functioning of the entire setup under Linux operating system? Answer is system administrator. DOS is dash an operating system, single user. DOS is a single user operating system. Operating system falls in category of system software. As you all know, operating system is the example of system software, so the answer is system software. A command to copy files and subdirectories at a time is xcopy. The three working modes of VI editors are input mode and command mode and EX mode. So the answer is both B and C. Next question is, a sequence followed while designing a program is algorithm, coding and review. Next is, the commonly used tool for programming are flowchart and algorithm, both. Answer is both A and B. A program developed life cycle PDLC can be divided into 6 stages. A program development life cycle can be divided into 6 stages. Structured programming has 3 constructs. In structured programming, there are 3 constructs. Dash refers to repeating some set of instructions, iteration and looping, both. So the answer is iteration and repeating both, iteration and looping both. So the answer is A and B. Iteration, we can say iteration or we can say looping, both are refers to the repeating some set of instructions. The flow chart drawn by student in a school to depict the solution of small problems are system flow chart, micro flow chart, program flow chart, or both B and C. The answer is micro flow chart or program flow chart. It can be said as micro flow chart or program flow chart because it is to explain the school by a student. It is follow in the category of micro flow chart or program flow chart. So the answer is both B and C. The two flowcharting symbols that can have maximum of 2 and 3 lines respectively are processing box and decision box. Next is, in the following which statement is not a loop? Answer is if. If is not a looping statement, it is a conditional statement. Switch is multi-branchial statement. In switch statement there are multiple branches. Default statement is used in switch statement. In switch case we use default statement. If statement is the answer is selection. Previous answer was wrong in your book. The answer is wrong. The correct answer is selection. If statement is falls in the category of selection. Okay students, thank you. So students, revise these exercises for exam preparation. Keep studying and be happy always. Thank you.